Alright fam, hear me out when I say this. I was able to generate $2,283 dropshipping on Shopify in the span of 24 hours. And hold on.
Hold up.
What if I also said that I was able to generate this amount without utilizing Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok ads? In fact, it absolutely required no upfront ad spend, no money at all. What is going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy Yash. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, then welcome to it. So first and foremost, ladies and gents, before I go ahead and break down everything else for y'all, let's go ahead and look at the numbers, the most important part. Okay, so now that we have the Shopify dashboard pulled up, we can see that on May 15th, in a single day, we did $2,283.99 in sales with a little over 3,500 sessions. Our conversion rate, or CVR, for that day alone was 3.15%, which is absolutely amazing. That is well above industry standard when it comes to Shopify stores, or more specifically, e-commerce. Our AOV, in other words, average order value, was about $18. And for that day alone, we closed out at about 127 orders. So let's look at numbers even deeper than that. You guys know me, I'm all about transparency and laying everything out on the table up front for you guys. So we can see, obviously, for revenue, we did $2,283.99. For cost of goods sold, that came out to $1,000.99, as we did 157 units, which cost us $7 each, including shipping. Yes, I was utilizing a private shipping agent from China, so I was able to luckily negotiate a little bit when it came to pricing. And then when it came to transaction fees between Shopify payments and PayPal, that came out to be $134.40. So between cost of goods sold and transaction fees, our total cost came out to be $1,223.40, resulting in a grand profit of $1,060.59. If you ask me, that's not too bad for a single day. So now that we got all that out the way, I really want to go ahead and tell y'all how I found the product, and quite frankly, it was very simple. I found the product on TikTok while I was scrolling on my For You page or my newsfeed, and I quite frankly do this every single day for about 10 or 15 minutes in hopes to find something interesting, whether it be another sponsored ad on the platform or even an organic post from a TikTok page. And guess what? Every time I come across an ad on TikTok, just like I did on Facebook before, what I would do is I would engage with the ad. I would click on their call to action button, add to cart, initiate checkout, actually go down their funnel. Basically, this would tell TikTok that I am an engaged buyer on their platform, which as a result would show me higher quality ads and more products, which I can go ahead and steal or take inspiration from and at least make better. Actually, yeah, let's go with the latter. Take inspiration from and make better. I don't literally mean steal. And since we're on that topic, you should never steal, as in copy someone word to word from their website to creatives to their copy. That obviously isn't ethical and morally right, and also it shows a huge sign of laziness, just to throw that out there. So anyway, I found this product and I instantly knew it had a great wow factor and a large impulsive factor attached towards it, which is exactly what you want for a potential winning product. Afterwards, I went into the TikTok search bar and I searched through different keywords and phrases, because everyone will go ahead and name this product differently, and I only found 2 people organically attempting to sell it on TikTok, and I also found only 1 more person that was actually running paid ads on it. And how I found this was through this website called PP Ads. It's basically an ad spy, as for Facebook, and PP is for TikTok. So now I knew that there were only about 3 or 4 people attempting to sell this product, maybe only 1 seller somewhat selling it well, well, and I had room to go ahead and hop on this product and improve where I could. So boom, instantly I knew that to establish proof of concept and to test this product out, I had to go ahead and implement the organic TikTok strategy. Now, I've talked about this strategy quite a lot on the channel before, but to run it down very briefly in case if you're new to e-commerce, this strategy or even this channel, essentially what it means is that you're creating a TikTok account, a TikTok page for your store or for your product per se. You're posting, videos of that product after you go ahead and order that product through Amazon or eBay or whatever it really may be, in attempts of that video or multiple videos going viral. So, you'll get all these different traffic and visitors, and obviously what your main goal is to get sales and conversions to your store absolutely for free. But that is basically what this strategy consists of. So what I did was I made 2 different TikTok accounts, and on each account I started posting 5 times a day. Now this is very important, especially initially. I mean, if you can go ahead and post 5 times a day every day for weeks or for months, that's great. But at least initially, you want to post 5 times a day to go ahead and warm up the account. Now, just a tip, you also want to make sure to post between 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. every single day. This is, when user traffic is the most active on TikTok. Now, when you're posting, you don't want to post back to back. You want to make sure that you're waiting at least 2 hours. So make sure you're posting in 2 to 3 hour intervals on each account. Now, after day 5, up until this day, I was obviously posting every day. I saw that one account, which was the second account or account B or account 2, whatever you like to call it, was getting the most traction. It was getting a lot of views, of course, and it was also getting a lot of shares and replays and comments and likes, so on and so forth. So I decided to really go ahead and scrap the other account and invest and focus my time and energy into this second account and really double down on that when it comes to how much I'm posting and of course the quality of content. Now on day 8, it's been a little over a week since I've been posting on TikTok, and I've been getting some pretty good traction, videos with a few thousand views, 5, 10, 15,000 views, sales here and there. I think I've probably gotten 3 or 4 sales in one day at most, nothing really crazy. But anyway, it's day 8, I leave very early morning for a hiking trip, right, with a bunch of my friends, and I didn't really make it back to campsite, back to where we were staying super late. I think it was past 12. We were out all day practically, and one of my videos had actually gone viral, and I saw that it had over 2.5 million views, and by the time I checked my phone, we did over $2,000 in sales that day, which explains the amount of sales that I did, which you guys saw earlier on Shopify. TikTok is filled with opportunity right now for beginners who really want to dip their feet into e-commerce, really want to get a taste of what dropshipping is and what it can be like. This strategy can truly be so powerful if approached the right way and treated with respect and with consistency. And I really mean when I say that. Now, it's not supposed to be easy, right? If it was, then everyone would be doing it. With hard work, with perseverance, and with patience, it is definitely possible to, attain multiple 4 or even 5-figure days every single month, like how I was able to in just a single day. Now, furthermore, I always say this, right? There's no cookie cutter formula to anything in business or in life. So make sure you guys are testing the following components. That includes content length, hook, posting times, sounds, voiceovers, text font and length, and also hashtags as well. And this is primarily because every account is different, right? And every account will react differently to what you actually feed it. And more than that, every product and every market and audience behind that product is also different. So you have to make sure that you're split testing and taking notes of these different variants when you're attempting this strategy. Now, as a bonus, I also included a free Google slide in the description down below. Check it out. It will be most likely the first link in the description, but I highly recommend checking it out. It has a lot of tips, tricks, strategies, methods about really getting in front of the game, really accelerating when it comes to this specific strategy. So definitely check that out. no strings attached, I promise you guys. Other than that, if you guys do have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, then feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And also feel free to also check out all the links and resources in the description down below, as they can and will be very helpful for your Shopify dropshipping store. Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in, ladies and gents. I appreciate each and every single one of you.
I appreciate that.
Other than that, your boy is out. Peace.